I'm Kelly D, and today I'm going to be making for you another refreshing, delicious drink from a fruit that we don't often see all over the place. We're going to be using the carambola. In many other Caribbean countries and in other tropical regions in the world, you would find the carambola, but some persons call it 5 fingers because it has 5 ridges all around. Now, even though the 5 finger or the carambola is a fruit, you wouldn't take it and just bite it and start to eat it. So many persons ask me, what do you do with a carambola? So today I'm going to show you what I will do. We're going to make a drink, carambola and ginger drink. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 8 carambolas or star fruit or 5 fingers. We have 2 large pieces of ginger. Now, this part is optional. The amount of ginger that you use will be depend on your tolerance for ginger. I have 2 large knots of ginger. You can use 1 if you don't want a whole lot of ginger or you don't want it too strong. But for me, I'm going to use 2 because I love that aftertaste. We have the juice of 1 lime, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and sugar to taste. This recipe is really simple. All we're going to do is add all of our ingredients together and put them into a blender. Once we've blended them all, we're going to strain it, chill it, and taste. Is halfway there. I would have strained as much of the juice from the pet here, and we're going to discard this. Now, if you have pets, you can always give that to your pets to eat. That is good stuff there. Now we're going to add some sugar to taste. Now, it depends on how sweet you like your drinks. You can add your sugar, and then we're going to add that in there. Then we're going to add some lime juice. Lime always brightens up the flavor of any drink. Then we're going to strain it one last time to remove any bits of hard sugar that would have been in there after we sweetened, or any bits of pep or seeds from a lime or anything like that that would have escaped. We're going to give that one last strain. Then it's going to be time for us to taste. Now our drink is almost done. I would have strained it for the second time. I tasted it off camera, but the taste is still not what I want. Something seems to be missing because the fruit was really tart. So unless you can get a really ripe carambola and it's nice and sweet, the drink wouldn't taste as sweet as you would like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And that should do the trick. So once we would have done that, we're going to strain it for the final time. Then we're going to get ready to taste. Our drink is done. Just look at that lovely pastel color. And the ginger, I am just smelling that ginger coming up in the air. It just smells good. I can't wait to taste it. Carambola and ginger drink on the rocks. Coming up. Smells good. Beautiful color. Time to taste. So good. The foretaste of the carambola and the aftertaste of the ginger. It's just good. Refreshing. It's light. It's not heavy. Make sure you strain it. I strained it at least twice. It's nice and light. Great drink for a Sunday afternoon, just lounging around. Carambola and ginger drink. And there are lots of carambolas that you find all over the place. The next time you happen to see the 5 finger fruit, make sure to grab it because you need to make this amazing drink. Carambola and ginger drink. Now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this drink recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other drink recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.